Are you tired of ironing clothes? In today's fast-paced world, everyone leads busy lives and may prefer to spend their time on other important activities rather than spending time on ironing clothes. And let's admit, it's not an enjoyable task. This is where EazyIron steps in, a user-friendly app designed to simplify the ironing process. With EazyIron, you can delegate the task, sparing yourself the effort as someone else takes care of the ironing on your behalf. Here's how it works. Download the EazyIron app on your phone, create an account, select the number of clothes you want ironed, choose a time for both pickup and delivery, and place your order. The app takes care of arranging an ironer and a driver for you. Once both are finalized, you'll receive confirmation. The driver will come to your place at your scheduled time to collect clothes. After picking them up, the driver hands them over to the ironer. Once the ironing is done, the driver collects the clothes from the ironer and delivers them back to you as per your chosen schedule. Yet how can you be sure that the person collecting your clothes is trustworthy? EazyIron has considered this concern. The driver arriving at your house will provide a unique 4-digit code. You enter this code into the app and it will authenticate and confirm the driver's identity. This ensures that the person is authorized. The same process is applied when your clothes are returned. This time, you share the code with the driver to ensure that the clothes are delivered to the correct address in person. Yet another excellent advantage is free pickup and delivery. Yes, you heard right, there is no additional charge for pickup and delivery service. This sets EazyIron apart. Unlike many other services that have an extra fee for this, EazyIron doesn't. Our aim is to make things as simple and budget-friendly for you as they can. So why spend hours on ironing when you can have EazyIron take care of it for you? Download the EazyIron app today and get dressed faster.